Yes, sir, it's your boy Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up. If not, you already know. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. I'm gonna let you guys know the hot plays I'm looking at going to tomorrow. No, it's 1000% Friday, but it was 1000% Thursday. So tomorrow, we gotta just let it play out and see what the market gives us. It's not really about opinions or what you think, blah blah woo woo. It's good to have those discussions so we can, just have the discussion, know what to possibly look out for, but don't marry to any type of decision that you come up with or outcome you come up with. You got to let the market do its thing and react to the market. So let's talk about it, because I know a lot of people made a lot of money today. Congratulations. I'm proud of a lot of people sending me all the screenshots. But this stock right here is set to explode if this happens. I knew what was going on, but I say if this happens, because I post something like this stock is set to explode guaranteed. Like if you scroll down my content, I done did it before. Nobody ever's done that. I don't see nobody do that because it's too much responsibility on if you being wrong. But that's just how much confidence I have in certain stocks and certain plays. But just like with Beyond Meat, I believe before it did its thing, Carvana before it did its thing, from $2 to $500, Beyond Meat from 35 cents to $7. And a lot of this is just to prove consistent reads of the market. I'm not trying to say I'm better than anybody else or not trying to think I'm superior over the market, because I'm not. I'm humbled of the market. That's why I do what I do. So you won't have severe humbling experiences in the market like myself. What I always say, the motto, aim small, miss small. The market easy, go hard. The market hard, go easy. Small little subtle things that means a lot. And going forward, I'll break down structure and scenarios publicly, but the exact levels and execution, that would be for VIP. I'm gonna teach you how to think for free. The exact levels, this is what, this point, that point, that point. If it do this, do that. Exact, that's not education. That's execution. But you got to prove yourself at the beginning. You got to show what you're capable of. Shout out to my guy right here, man. I just made 180% return on Meta. You saved me, dog. You saved me. Good job, fam. Right here, Roy, 1000% Thursdays. LOL, just kidding. But I printed on Meta calls. Thanks be 30% up on account for the day. I'm done. Miss Simmons right here. I held my calls from yesterday up $5,000. 602 was my entry. Insane. You feel me? Shout out to you, baby girl. Matter of fact, she said she ain't done yet. She did it, got in and got out again, and up 8.5K on the day. Insane. Look, we're not done. Made a quick 300 on the middle call out. Got out a little early, but didn't want to be greedy. Appreciate you, broski. Your insight is inspiring. Spot on game. I'm going to be a wizard too one day. Hey, much love, fam. Keep going. Make sure you protect what you earn. 1K today. Listen and wait. It's tough. I'm up 300% thanks to you. $1,200 on a day. Most money I ever made in a day. Man, I'm still shocked. Crazy. Damn, I wish I would have been a little bit greedy, but I remember what I said. Don't be greedy. Take what you can get from the market, and remember, it's always going to be another opportunity. Opportunities like this don't just come one day and that's it. It's going to continue to happen as long as you're alive. Meta, brother, you called it 631. You're high. You called it sitting at 643. You the GOAT. Got to join your VIP. Hey, much love, fam. Much love. If you would like to join, you just click join on the home page. Third tier, they give you access to the plays, exclusive access to the plays plus learning. You got Dow Jones futures, stocks bounce, Tesla rallies on self-driving news. Dow Jones rose slightly overnight along with S&P 500 futures. The stock market rally extended. The Greenland rebound with a broad-based advance Thursday. Small caps hit a fresh record high. Meta showing strong signs of continuation if hold previous support levels, but you have to take risk reward properly into consideration. You shouldn't have the same risk with Meta as you would if Meta was still trading at 603 or 617. The upside potential was far greater than the downside potential. Now it's in the middle, meaning it still can shoot up aggressively and it can also shoot back down aggressively. So it's in the middle, 50-50. So your risk reward ratio is no longer greater to the upside, but it's 50-50 in the middle. You need to play that correctly. So how would I play that correctly? I would size down. So if you got the mindset, oh, this is hot, this is a play, or whether you thinking it's gonna sell off or go up, you still need to be conservative with your size because both directions is equally possible. But from the structure of Meta, the continuation to the upside is more likely. But like I said, we don't marry to what we think. We focus on the price action of how Meta actually performs. What gives me signs of a continuation? Meta continue to make higher lows today while also making higher highs while finishing strong. Now let's continue. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla is sitting at 451, right? Tesla showing signs of continuation as well, but Tesla need to hold above previous resistance. Hold above previous resistance, this thing can continue. Below previous resistance, support level, and it sell off immensely. Now Coinbase is in a demand zone. It's sitting at 224.40. What you want to see is Bitcoin. Bitcoin needs to, start to gain steam and not lose traction and sell off aggressively. If Bitcoin holds and start to, catch up with the market, Coinbase could be, highly on the radar for Friday, 1,000% Fridays. Coinbase does have a small area to fill. It could sell off slightly before reversing and making a crazy turnaround. Exact levels are in VIP. Coinbase break above peak intraday resistance and it takes off like a bat out of hell. I always remember, guys, how you do one thing is how you do everything. So if you want to perform better with trading, you need to make sure you're getting your sleep, you're getting your rest, you're drinking your water in the morning, you're doing your stretches, your workouts. Your mental is not, fogged up. Making sure you're praying for wisdom in the morning and having clarity. That's going to, get you right. And if you got anything else in your life that you need to show discipline in areas, how you do one thing is how you do everything. So if you can't be disciplined in something else that you want to do, as far as working out, cleaning your house, straightening your bed every morning, whatever the hell it is, you ain't going to be disciplined in trading. You're going to be dependent on someone all the time and never really trying to figure it out for yourself. So I hope this helped you guys. You already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram, the BHayes Show _. I love you guys. We out. And God bless you. We out.